I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by connecting and enabling your microphone so voice chat actually works. First, plug in the mic and test it in your operating system. Set input around 50%, 70% so levels aren't peaking. Once done, open TSB and accept the microphone permission. This allows the app to capture audio. Then, make sure you select the correct input device inside TSB's audio settings and choose push-to-talk or voice activity depending on your preference. Once the mic is enabled, join the specific channel or party where you want to speak. Check for any access restrictions or a password and enter it. Next, calibrate audio. Lower or raise gain, enable noise suppression, and turn on echo cancellation so others don't hear feedback. Also set a comfortable voice activation threshold if using voice activity. Finally, run a test call or ask a friend to confirm levels, and assign hotkeys for quick mute or push-to-talk control. To finish, set your output volume and route sound to headphones to avoid echo, and lock your keybinds so mute and push-to-talk stay consistent. Make sure to save settings and enable the in-game overlay or permissions for TSB if you want on-screen indicators. If things go wrong, first check microphone permissions, update or reinstall audio drivers, and verify no firewall is blocking TSB. If that fails, restart TSB and your system. This often clears device conflicts and restores normal voice chat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.